Updated on my new videos. Thanks.
What's up, Vnation? It's me, Vin Dadi. Welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button. So right here we have a 2008 Nissan Sentra. So as you guys saw, I replaced the front struts, front link pins, and the rear shocks. So in order to remove the front struts, there's 3 fasteners on the strut tower, which are 13mm, and one of them is hidden underneath the cowl for the windshield wiper. So you have to remove the windshield wiper arm. So in order to do that, you're gonna need sorry about that. So in order to do that, you're gonna need to remove the clip. It's fairly easy. Just use a hammer and a Phillip and then knock it down. And then you have to remove the one of the nut for the link pin, which is a 18 or 17 depending on what you have in there. And then there's 2 bolts for the strut tower that connects to the knuckle, which are 21. So yeah, guys. Anyways, guys, I just want to show you guys quickly what this 2008 Nissan Sentra looks like. Okay, so that's what it looks like, guys. Okay, so where was I? So yeah, to remove the strut, remove the 3 bolts in the strut tower, the link pin bolt or nut, which is a 17 or an 18, depending on which nut size they use. 21mm for the two bolts that goes through the knuckle and the strut mount or the strut. And then you gotta bring it over to the spring compressor, which is a little tricky and kind of dangerous. You have to be careful about that. But you could also order a whole assembly that comes with a spring and the strut. So so you can skip that step. So you could do this at home easily if you just order the whole assembly. So anyways, I also did the rear shocks, and the rear shocks, make sure you jack up the side that you're doing so that it doesn't sag down, and it's easier to install the new one after. So with that one, I used 18 for the bottom bolt and 16 for the top bolt. On the left side is a little tricky because the heat shield's on the way, so use an extension and you should be able to get to it. So yeah, the ride was pretty bouncy earlier, but now the ride's pretty nice. Everything has been replaced. Feels like a brand new car. There's Manito.
I know.
Thanks again for tuning into my channel. Please continue to like, share, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.